Hello friends, welcome to the new session of Plus 2 Commerce 4th lesson, Chapter 4, Introduction to Financial Markets. Choose the correct answers. Number 1. Financial market facilitates business firms to raise funds. Capital market is a market for long-term finance. Capital market is a market for long-term finance. Primary market is also called as new issue market. What do you mean by primary market? Primary market means first time when you issue the shares, that will come under primary market. What do you mean by spot market? Spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. It means immediately you can purchase the shares by paying the cash. How many times a security can be sold in the secondary market? Multiple times you can sold the securities. Now we'll move on to the first very short answer. What are the components of organized sector? Organized sector consists of regulators, financial institution, financial market and financial services. So these are all the components of organized sectors. Next question, write a note on financial market. A market where in financial instruments such as financial claims, assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. So in financial market, what is happening? They are doing a trade for financial claims, assets and securities. Now, what is spot market? Cash or spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. Settlement is completed immediately. Means you purchase the share and you make the payment by cash and you receive the shares. That is known as spot market. Now what is debt market or debt market? It is the financial market for trading in debt instrument. For example, government bonds or securities, corporate debentures or bonds. So they are dealing with this bonds and securities. That is known as financial market for trading in debt instrument. Now, how is price decided in secondary market? Primary market means first time when company is issuing the shares is known as primary market. Now what do you mean by secondary market? Financial markets allow for the determination of the price of the traded financial asset through the interaction of buyers and sellers. They provide a signal for the allocation of funds in the economy based on the demand and supply through the mechanism called price discovery process. So, second time they can sell the shares to anyone, those who are needed. That is known as secondary market. Secondary market, we can sell the shares at n number of times. Now short answer, give the meaning and definition of financial market. The meaning of financial market already we studied. Once again we will see. A market wherein financial instruments such as financial claims, assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. According to Brigham Eugene F., the place where the people and organization wanting to borrow money are brought together with those having surplus funds is called financial market. Now we move on to next question. Difference between spot market from future market. Spot market. Spot market is also known as cash market. Future market is also known as forward market. Spot means immediately you can pay the cash and receive the security. Future means in future you will receive the shares by paying the cash now. Spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. So immediately you pay the cash and receive the securities. Securities means what? Shares, stocks, bonds, debentures, etc. Future market is a market where the delivery of assets and payment of cash take place at a predetermined time frame in future. It means they are framing that in future I am going to purchase this much of shares and I will pay this much of money. So that is only assumption. So it is predetermined that I am going to pay. It has been not paid. It is going to pay. Spot market means you pay the cash immediately and receive the securities. Next question. Write a note on secondary market. Already we discussed about secondary market in very short answer. Once again we will go. Secondary market is the market for securities that are already issued. Stock market is an important institution in the secondary market. Secondary market deals with resale of securities traded in the primary market. Secondary market deals with the resale of securities traded in the primary market. So already the shares, those who are issued, that shares once again sold to someone else. That is known as secondary market. That is the meaning of resale of securities. Next question. Bring out the scope of financial market in India. The financial market provides financial assistance to individuals, agricultural sectors, industrial sectors, service sectors, financial institutions like banks, insurance sectors, provident funds, and the government as a whole. With the help of financial market, all the above stated individuals, institution, and the government can get their required funds in time. Through the financial market, the institution get their short-term as well as long-term financial assistance. It leads to the overall economic development. So what do you mean by scope of financial market in India? In India, with the help of banks, with the help of companies, insurance sectors, they are purchasing and selling, means trading with the securities. So they can easily provide the short-term and long-term loans to the peoples. Now move on to long answer. First long answer. Distinguish or difference between new issue market and secondary market. On the basis for comparison, new issue market and secondary market. First point, meaning. The marketplace for new shares is called primary market. Means first time you issue the shares, that is known as primary market. The place where formerly issued securities are traded is known as secondary market. It means resale market. So already the shares which has been issued, once again we sold to someone else. That is known as secondary or resale market. So what is the another name of secondary market? Resale market. Buying. We can buy directly from the company. In secondary market, we cannot buy directly from the company. We can purchase from someone else, those who already purchased the shares. Next, buying and selling between. It is buying and selling between company and investors. Investors means what? The person who invests the money into the shares or stocks or securities. So they are directly purchasing the shares from the company. Here investors will purchase the shares through online, those who are selling the securities. Gained person, though who is benefited, company is benefited. Here investors are benefited. Intermediary means what? Like brokers, commission agents, etc. In between. Here underwriters are intermediary. Here brokers are intermediary in secondary market. How can securities be sold? In primary market, only once you can sold the securities, because primary market is nothing but issue the shares once in the lifetime of the company. First time issue the shares is known as primary market. So only once you can sold. First time issuing the shares. Secondary market, you can sold the shares multiple times. Means any number of times you can purchase and sell the shares or securities. Now move on to second essay. Enumerate or state or list the different kinds of financial markets or discuss the various types of financial markets. So you have to mention how many types of financial markets are there. On the basis of type of financial claim, debt market, equity market. Already we studied the debt market and equity market. Now on the basis of maturity of financial claim, money market, capital market. On the basis of time of issue of financial claim, primary market, secondary market. Just now we studied the difference between primary and secondary market. Next, on the basis of timing of delivery of financial claim, cash or spot market means immediately you pay the cash and get the securities. Forward or future market, in future you receive the shares and pay the money. On the basis of organizational structure of financial market, exchange traded market or over the counter market. Now we'll move on to very important third essay, which has been asked in the March 2020 paper in the board exam. Discuss the role of financial market. Saving mobilization. Obtaining funds from the savers or surplus units such as household individuals, business firms, public sectors units. Government is an important role played by financial market. So the individual persons or a company saving that money and investing into the sectors, they are known as investors. And saving mobilization, whatever the surplus money they are saving, they are investing into the company and they are getting benefited. Investment. Financial market play a key role in arranging the investment of funds thus collected in those units which are in need of the same. So they are saving the money, those sectors, as well as they are arranging for the funds, because with the help of financial market only the funds are coming to the companies. National growth financial markets contribute to a nation's growth by ensuring an unfettered flow of surplus funds to deficient units. Flow of funds for a productive purpose is also made possible. It leads to overall economic growth. So they are helping for the national growth of financial. Any companies have less funds, then the government will help by giving the funds. So they are maintaining the national growth. Entrepreneurship growth. Financial market contribute to the development of the entrepreneurial class by making available the necessary financial resources. Industrial development. The different components of financial market helps an accelerated growth of industrial and economic development of a country and thus contributing to raising the standard of living and the society's well-being. So, if industry will develop, definitely the society or standard of living will be developed. Why? Because industry will make the product at the large quantity, and they'll automatically the cost will be reduced, and that will easily purchased by the customers. So that will be benefit to the company as well as the nation, so that they can export their products outside the country. So what are the function of financial market? This is the fourth essay. Function of financial markets. Intermediary function. Transfer of resources. Financial market facilitate the transfer of real economic resource from lenders to ultimate borrowers. So transfer of resource. They are transferring the what? They are transferring the economic resource from lenders to ultimate borrowers. Enhancing income. Financial market allow lenders earn interest dividend on their surplus investable funds, and thus contributing to the enhancement of the individual and the national income. So if I am investing the money into the company securities, definitely I will get some interest or dividend in future. Productive usage. Financial markets allow for the productive use of the funds borrowed, and thus enhancing the income and the gross national production. Capital formation. Financial market provide a channel through which a new saving flow to add capital formation of a country. So the capital will increase by issuing the shares and securities. Price determination. Financial market allow for the determination of the price of the traded financial asset through the interaction of buyers and sellers. They provide a signal for the allocation of funds in the economy based on the demand and supply through the mechanism called price discovery process. So, price determination. Understand? Next, sales mechanism. Financial market provides a mechanism for selling of a financial asset by an investor so as to offer the benefits of marketability and liquidity of such assets. Information. The activities of the participants in the financial market result in the generation and the consequent dissemination of information to the various segments of the markets so as to reduce the cost of transaction of financial assets. Now, what are the financial function? Providing the borrowers with funds so as to enable them to carry out their investment plans. Providing the lenders with earning assets so as to enable them to earn wealth by developing the assets in productive ventures. Providing liquidity in the market so as to facilitate trading of funds. So up to this, our fourth chapter is completed.